Hi guys, so I want to make noodles using the microwave. I've never tried it before, even for the first time. I've seen so many of the reviews on TikTok, so I said let me try it. We don't have any gas or anything here in my workplace, and I'm here today is Saturday, so I have to eat, and I want to eat noodles because it's cheaper, and so I have my noodles here. Pray for me that it comes out well, because if it doesn't, ew, fuck, you pay me my money. So chicken, yeah. And I will not be editing this. I have to break the noodles into a bowl, right? So I'll come back when I've done all of this. So we're going with the seasoning now. I'm using a plastic bowl. I hope it works. It's like taking a risk. But people say on TikTok says it comes out really well. So I'm done. This is hot water. So I'm to put it inside, and yeah, I think that's enough to get it done. So let's cover it up, and I'm going to put it in the microwave here at work. So this is what we're working with. Okay, should I just turn this? Let me just back in. Oh, this sardine smells weird. Huh? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Someone recommended a better microwave. I barely use this one at work. So let's just use this one. Turn it on. And auto cook. Does this thing even click? So be to 10 minutes. Are you saying that? 10. So yeah.